Saan tayo?
We're gonna go to Canada.
Canada? Travel to Canada. So, we're gonna be in Canada.
It's like you're stuck in a mist, right? Like you can't just like not press the gas.
That's mine.
Like
That
speed
tripod.
bump. You have to put gas in it.
I already gave you the white one.
God,
God.
a little bit more to go over it. I felt like, oh, this is it. And I was like, what is that? I mean, he's a dumbass
The
boss.
white one is yours. I bought you the white one.
Yeah.
No, you gotta use it more. Come on.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, saan tayo pupunta? Gawin natin. What are you gonna expect?
See other kids.
Little kids running. Then, what else? What else?
I'm more down for this.
What else?
Huh?
Ano pa?
What?
Ano pa makikita natin doon?
Okay, well, I don't have to. I said, didn't time this place right here? Feel that day?
No.
You tried
No?
it? My forward to left.
Yeah.
Ilaw.
And it's open.
Is that lights?
I mean, it's second date. What is that?
Okay, ano pa?
It's okay.
I don't know. You'll find out. Secret.
Secret? Oh, secret
She'll
lang.
go back to like the place.
So, anong makikita natin?
Like what?
Secret. Are we gonna gamble?
No.
Are we gonna drink alcohol?
What, Thai barbecue? She's a fucking base bitch.
Bugelgel, Bugelgel.
The Thai barbecue is really bad.
Diyan meron ka ng
papaya salad.
pisngi.
It's so bad.
Where's
Like,
your-
it doesn't even taste like papaya salad.
What?
I think I tried it one time.
I'm hungry.
It was
I
so
need
bad.
the food.
Like, it was the worst one I've ever tried ever.
Mahal nga doon.
And I was like, so that's how I know that shit
I don't know.
is like
Yeah, no.
meant for American food.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ilang minutes? Ganito.
Because you're on speaker and then usually don't tell him it's not because of the hand. It's more like I have to figure out the car situation. But then he said he's
Ay no, hindi maalis na.
so like it's okay.
Hindi naman na. Pag ganito.
But the
We're
club
here. Look at
alley,
the car.
he doesn't fucking know. And I'm like, no.
Hmm?
He knows. No, but we're doing food shopping. He said they're finding the mom present. So he's doing some. He hasn't finished shopping yet. What? Yeah, he has been doing his errands. Elections. And I was telling him, you know
Itong driver na. What is that? Oh, flowers. They're getting some flowers. Okay, sige, bye-bye, Angel. And
Bye-bye.
say,
I'll wait to
please
buy.
like, subscribe, and
Why would
Please
you buy
like
it?
and
give
subscribe.
me money.
She's picky.
Give us
Oh,
Money.
no, she is. No, he is.
follow.
But
Anong YouTube channel?
Oh, yeah,
Do you have
yes,
YouTube
I know.
channel?
But we
No.
went around. He's like, she's not
No.
like that.
No. Secret.
Okay, then what the fuck?
Okay.
And we
Yeah,
are
you know what? Why would you late?
Oh, look at this. Yan, nagbibenta ng flowers. Oh. How much is that? It's like $20.
Oh, they give her food?
I know, ha? I think dati nagbibigay ako ng